Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm PPE and this is the Peso Pro episodes where we talk about money management tips and peso tricks. If you're looking for personal finance tips, you've come to the right place. Today is going to be a short video to preempt the 12/12 sale. I'm here to remind you that for all property owners, this is the time when most of us are paying for real property taxes, and there's also a sale ongoing for that tax for the next calendar year. That's right, in most cases, your city will give you a 15 to 20% discount for paying your real property taxes. For some of you who are new to the real estate game, this may be an added expense that you did not factor in. Typically, the real property tax and the special education fund are taxes paid to the local government for them to be able to collect income on properties within their vicinity. The real property tax is about 2% of the assessed value multiplied by the assessment factor for the property you are paying for. For provinces, this can be as low as 1%. In order for you to know the amount that you will pay, you would have to go to the city or the municipality office for you to be able to get an assessment. What you need to bring is your tax declaration and the latest official receipt of the last real estate tax that you paid for in the previous year. The payment of the real property tax can be done either quarterly or in annual modes of payment. The most efficient would be to pay for it annually every December because typically this is when cities give an early payment discount of 15 to 20% of the total bill for everyone who will pay the next year, in this case 2021's real property taxes. You can still save a few more discounts and this will vary from city to city, so please check your city's official website or their social media pages because most of them would already have the details uploaded as of this time. Also take note that most of these discounts are based on time, so just make sure that you plan ahead and will be able to pay within the time frame to maximize the discount that you can get. In Mandaluyong, for example, they've created an online portal where you can log in, create an account, and process your entire real property tax, especially if you're not delinquent, which means that you paid for the latest taxes on time and you're up to date. For delinquent accounts, this can be true for all cities where you will have to really go to the city hall or the municipality office so that you can understand how much of the fees and the penalties you should be paying for to get your account up to date. The good part about the Mandaluyong process is you're able to get the assessment and be able to pay online through and do the process all end to end. I will link the Mandaluyong website in the description below because this is a great opportunity for you to actually just do this in the comfort of your home and meet the deadline so that you can maximize the discount. In Taguig, for example, they already started their own RPT portal in their website. They already have the assessment step online, which means that you can just enter your tax declaration number and your official receipt number from the last payment, and that will give you the assessed value. This enables you to skip a step so that you don't have to line for the assessment step when you go to pay. As of the recording of this video, the payment options are still tentative, which means they are not yet online, but the City Hall has confirmed that they are working to get GCash, PayMaya, and even credit card options updated as soon as they can. For everyone who have properties in Taguig, they also released a notification that the payment of the real property tax will be moved to Vista Mall and it won't be at the typical City Hall and the SM Aura options that we had in the previous year. So just take note of that. For everyone who have properties in other cities, please do check with your city government website because they will have the latest guidelines for you. Some other cities like Manila, Makati, and others all have their own online payment options that can probably help you either skip a step or do the entire process end to end. I do not have properties in the city, so please feel free to connect and reach out to your local government unit so that you are informed. In general though, this month of December is a great way to actually enjoy up to a 20% reduction in the taxes and fees, which can be up to a couple of thousand pesos that you can save. Also, paying your real property taxes on time will save you from potential penalties of up to 72% if you are delinquent for more than 3 years. Also, the non-payment of the real property tax can actually lead the government to file a claim against your property and take the property as part of that delinquency. So for all of you who are property owners and have done this in the past, I hope this was a reminder. For new real estate property owners, I hope this was of value to you. If you do not know how to process the steps, feel free to reach out to your local government units and hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're updated for other tips that we will come up in the next few weeks. I hope to see you again soon.